Multi-vendor allows you to create a fully functional blog inside your marketplace. Use the blog to share useful content with your customers, announce special offers, and post news. Make sure the blog add-on is installed and activated. To start blogging, go to Website, Blog. I've already created some blog posts, so let's check how the blog is organized. First, you need to create a root blog page. This will be the main page of your blog, the home page if you want. Make sure to choose root level page as the parent page for the blog. Then start creating blog posts. Blog posts are pages with the blog page as the parent page. The editor allows you to write fully featured articles, and the HTML editor gives you even more flexibility. SEO features such as meta tags and SEO name are available as well. After you create a couple of posts, make the blog visible on the marketplace storefront. To do this, go to Design, Layouts, and choose the desired location. Let's add the blog to the home page. OK, add a new grid to place the blog into. Then add a block called Blog. Set the look and the filling. Done. Click Save. OK, the blog is now accessible from the storefront and you can effectively use it to engage customers.